Now we're showing you the removal of the XLR main lift cylinder, part number 88957085, and this cylinder is in the forward corner of the trunk. We're showing you the right main lift cylinder. We've shown you the trim removal of the carpeted trim piece already in the video for the trunk lid cylinder, and we've shown the trim removal on the other side in the video on the hydraulic pump removal. Anyway, that trim removal is easy. The cylinder itself is mounted in here in this direction, meaning the rod end is towards the rear of the car. This is what the cylinder looks like. And we see here the rod end, and the main part sticks way forward. Now the interesting way this is mounted is the mounting bracket has the mounting pin that goes through the rear bushing of this cylinder, and as part of the bracket that we remove. The mounting bracket has 4 T27 Torx bolts. The rear bolts you want to remove with an extension on your T27 ratchet or wrench, such like this. The front ones can be removed with your T27 just on a ratchet, or with a regular T27 wrench. We have already removed 3 of these bolts, and I'll just show you how I pull out the 4th one right now. And there, the bolt is out, and now I just wiggle the bracket, bend it to the inside a little bit. I can't see anything because I need to leave room for the camera right now, but now you see how this is actually the mounting pin for the main lift cylinder. With that, we have freed up the rear of the cylinder. For the front of the cylinder, we only have to, as usual, stick a small flat screwdriver into the into the clip, and once that clip is out of the way, we can push the rod end off that mounting pin. So I didn't have a small screwdriver handy, I had a big one here. Let's see if that does the trick. Nope. Here, found the small one. I'll stick the small screwdriver into this. Oops, I was on the wrong end, no wonder that didn't work. I'll put the screwdriver into the bowed end of this clip, and then pull the clip off. Here we go. So small one didn't do it in this case. I did have to go with a medium screwdriver that was slid into the bowed end of this clip to pull the clip off the mounting pin. Now we can pull the rod end off this mounting pin and wiggle the whole cylinder out of the way. Then, as with all the other cylinders, we remove the hoses and replace the cylinder, put the hoses back on, and put the cylinder back in place. I apologize for not showing every detail in person now. It's just impossible to not be completely in the way of the camera doing this.